Are you ready to transform your Etsy game with the power of AI? Discover the secret behind this digital product with over $4K in total revenue and with minimal competition. Act now because this ultimate guide is your key to Etsy success. So let's dive in. I stumbled upon this store that is rocking the game with these simple bookmark designs. Sales through the roof, positive reviews overflowing. And according to this platform called Alora, the total revenue is something to marvel at. Now look at one of these bookmark designs that has made a good amount of sales since it got published. And the best part, it has minimal competition, which means it's practically an open invitation for you to dive in and start selling today. And another free way I usually check to know if this product is still selling is by looking at the reviews. With this, I can see if it has any recent reviews, what people like and dislike, and what they are using the product for. Now hold on to your creative heart because I'm about to guide you through not one but two killer methods to design your product. The first method is to go to Canva and search for bookmark design. Choose the one you prefer, do some re-editing and export it out. But the second method makes you create it anyhow you like, and it consists of 3 steps. ChatGPT for brainstorming the ideas, image generation platform for the visuals, and Canva for the mockups. But before we dive into the magic of AI and crafting these designs, I want to say only a few percentage of my viewers are subscribed to my channel. Subscribing not only helps support the channel, but also ensures you don't miss out on any future videos like this. Alright, back to the magic. I've just asked ChatGPT to provide 10 brilliant bookmark design ideas for Etsy, and ChatGPT did a brilliant job. So I picked one of the design ideas and asked it to provide an image generation prompt idea for that. And guys, the results are nothing short of spectacular. So stick around as we pick one and turn it into something magical. Now let's talk about elevating your designs without breaking the bank with this Midjourney alternative called Canva Text to Image. In Canva, create a custom size and search for bookmark size. Once you are done, click on this plus sign and select text to image. Canva text to image gives you 500 tokens every month for image generation. That's limitless creativity at your fingertips. Now select the portrait dimension since the design are in that format. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. For the style, I went to watercolor style since there's a high demand for such style on Etsy. Once that is done, you click generate and the image came out looking good. But what if I like this one and I want Canva to generate similar designs to this? Click on these 3 dots and select generate more like this, and Canva will provide more result from that one concept. After selecting your preferred option, adjust the size to fit the frame. But unfortunately, the chosen design doesn't align well with the dimensions. Consider extending it to the end of the frame, though this may result in losing some parts of the image. So the solution to this will be to proceed to this crop option and choose expand. Within these features, AI will seamlessly fill in the missing part. Choose freeform and stretch the size to match the frame actual dimensions. Then click generate and witness the impressive outcome as Canva AI generates the missing part. Now export this by clicking on the download icon, then choose PNG or JPEG. And don't forget to increase the resolution for a better result. But we are not stopping there. A killer design deserves a killer presentation, which is using a better mockup. In Canva, start by creating exit thumbnail size. Once you are done, create an appealing background. Then import your bookmark design. Now enhance it with a drop shadow by clicking on this effect button. Select effect again, choose shadow and then select drop shadow. Finally, input the details of your bookmark design, the name, the file type and size. Now for an additional bookmark mockup tips, navigate to the elements section and type in open book on Dex. Now choose the image that has the upview version of it. Once you are done, you import your bookmark design. Don't forget to add a drop shadow and position it perfectly for that finishing touch. But wait, there's more. Here's the icing to the cake. Organize your design on Google Drive. Copy the link and use that link to create a PDF page in Canva so that when people click on that link, it will direct them to the Google Drive folder. And if you have no idea on how to do that, watch my previous video because I dropped a full guide on how to get it done. And hey, success on Etsy isn't a sprint, it's a journey of consistently delivering top-notch designs. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.